New for you at noon, a real murder mystery after a woman was shot and killed last year while just sitting inside of her car, and her killer is still out there somewhere. Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg is live in Doral with an emotional plea today from her family. Glenna.
It was, Christy, and I have to be frank, we're really not sure why this that happened 6 months ago is something that detectives today decided to bring to the public. They really do need help. The timing of that is unclear. However, the parents of Christina Kerr, they were here. They took their profound pain public to do just that.
Every single day, we live in a nightmare. Christina was my only one child.
If parents' pain could bring justice, Christina Kerr's murder should be solved. But Miami-Dade police say they still have no leads in the drive-by shooting last November.
If anyone has any information about this case, please help us. Help us to bring justice to my daughter, Christina. That's all what we can do, just pray and try to bring the justice to my daughter, Christina.
The 25-year-old mother of a 2-year-old girl, she was sitting and talking in a car with a friend, a 19-year-old, at his North Dade apartment complex Sunday afternoon, November 13th. That friend, Kevin Rodriguez Abreu, is the witness who describes an SUV pulling up and someone inside opening fire.
The police told me your daughter, she maybe not make it for the night. I was driving like a crazy.
Motive is the question. A quick background check shows Christina was arrested for prostitution a month before her murder. She was to be in court for a hearing 4 days before the murder, but that was rescheduled. She would not live to make that court appearance.
They are unaware of the actual motive for that shooting, whether or not they just entered this apartment complex and began shooting and maybe intending to target someone else or maybe an apartment.
Really, witness accounts just divulge that Christina was shot in the head. She was sitting in the passenger side of a Jetta in front of that apartment complex, and it was a dark SUV from which the shooting occurred. So, of course, hopefully this report, other reports like it, will bring this back into the public consciousness, and the Miami-Dade Police Department would really like to hear from anybody who thinks they know anything about what happened Sunday, November 13th. I'm Glenna Milberg in Doral, live today, Local 10 News.